In the previous video, you created an invitation to ask for feedback. In this video, you will digitally share your invitation to request feedback from a partner. When requesting feedback, it is important to be specific about the kind of comments and suggestions you are looking for. The type of feedback you request depends on the audience for your work. Asking for the specific type of feedback you would like to receive makes it more likely that you will get useful comments and suggestions. This video uses a retirement party invitation as an example. You will ask for feedback on your invitation. To start, partner with someone from your class and ask them for their email address. Sit at your own computers. If you are doing this lesson independently, request feedback from a friend or colleague. Share your invitation with your partner's email address. Set the sharing permissions. Edit Access allows your partner to make changes to your document directly, while Can Comment enables them to insert comments in your document, giving you the specific feedback you asked for. Set the permissions to Can Comment so you can decide how to change your invitation based on their feedback, or choose whether to incorporate it at all. To specify the type of feedback you would like your partner to provide, write them a note. First, explain what your document is and its intended audience. Include specific details you would like feedback on. Once you have shared your invitation and asked for feedback, move on to the next video to give feedback on the invitation your partner shared with you. Now, it's your turn. Partner with a classmate. Share your invitation with your partner. Set permissions to Can Comment, and write a note to your partner requesting specific feedback.